8 till 10:30. So 3 hours lang. I wish hindi ko to freezer. It's a rock hard. I'm so hungry kasi this morning it's so busy. It's like non-stop talaga. I don't know what to do with this mga palangga. Sobrang tigas niya.
1 hour later.
Gutom na ako ay. Sobrang gutom ko na talaga. Naghihintay pa rin ako sa bolognese natin mga palangga. Anyway, ito yung chicken last night. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kasi nalubat siya. So yan. Nilagyan ko siya sa loob ng onion, spring onion, lemongrass, garlic, and lemon. Yan. So ngayon, ipi-flip natin siya mga palangga. Tatahiin natin ito mamaya. Yan. Ang bango-bango, ha? Wow! That will do? Are you sure? Okay then. I'll have this.
Okay. Lite dash då.
So, ito yung dinner natin. Kakain muna ako mga palangga kasi nanonood kami ng TV. Yung Home Under the Hammer ba? Auction. So, yeah. Ito yung lunch. And meron akong hot cross buns dito. Meron tayong that's for John, so that's not mine. Isang letter lang. So anyway mga palangga, yung oras dito is 3:03 na ng hapon. So dahil nagamit tayo ng air fryer, ipipreheat na natin yung air fryer natin. This is my first time talaga mga palangga na mag-roast ng chicken using air fryer. I don't know if magiging okay ba. So this is like a trial and error. Yung chicken na binili natin kahapon, maliit yung pinili ko kasi baka hindi magkasya sa ating air fryer ba. Kasi ito lang parang hindi nga magkasya mga palangga, but I think magkakasya yan. Pagkasyahin natin. Wala tayong choice. Pagkasyahin natin. Dali lang mga palangga, ha? Kasi kung hindi siya magkasya, hindi magkasya yung chicken natin mga palangga. Sayang naman kasi kung ipilit natin sa air fryer ba. Hindi na lang ako nagamit ng air fryer. I'm so sorry. Yeah, hindi siya kakasya mga palangga. Pasensyahan nyo na. Ang plano ko talaga, air fryer, pero ilalagay ko na lang siya sa oven. Wala Wala dito si Mr. Naglipid yung shooting. Kasama ng kaibigan niya. So, i-roast na natin yung ating chicken, pero inaluhit lang. Ayok, masarap tong chicken natin. Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng closer look. So, ito siya. Yan. Ito yung before. So, ilalagay natin siya sa oven for an hour and a half.
A few minutes later.
So, hihintay na natin yung ating 1 minute na matapos. Yan na. This is our first check sa ating chicken. Si Mr. nandito na.
Well, that stew is warm, isn't it?
Very warm.
Oh, a little message. I have
Whoa!
one to air fryer.
No, I changed my mind.
I would as well.
So, ito yung first check ng ating chicken. Yan. Yan siya mga palangga. Hindi pa siya luto, obviously, kasi 30 minutes lang siya. So, ibalik natin siya sa oven for another 30 minutes. 23 minutes. Yung timer natin. But lalabas lang tayo. We will sit in the barbecue house. Sasamahan natin si Mr. You okay, Mr.?
I'm tired.
Oh,
My
no.
legs are tired. I'm tired. Had
You're
a hard
tired.
week. Early mornings, late nights. No sleep when I get to bed. She attacks me.
No.
I asked to be furloughed, but she would have none of it.
Second check mga
No, it says
bata.
business owner. Yeah, right.
Whoa, it's looking good.
Turns out.
It's more of like a roasted chicken now. It has more color. Yan. It looks good. Yan. So, another 15 minutes siguro. 15 to 20 minutes. Luto na yung ating lechon manok. So, ito na siya mga palangga. Yung final product. Yan. It smells so good. Honey, tea is ready. Tabingi kayo. So, baked potato.
This is what glass was, isn't it?
Yeah, that's my glass. Ooh, that's hot. And meron tayong cauliflower cheese. Hindi ko na pinakita yung cauliflower cheese because many times na picture ko na siya sa vlog natin. Ito yung cauliflower cheese natin. Yan. Ito. Ang sarap-sarap tingnan. That's it. Yan na. Hinihiwa na ni Mr. yung chicken.
Bring a plate.
There you go. I need to do the potato. Ito na siya mga palangga. Wala nang plating-plating. Do you like it? Yeah? I hope you enjoy, Mister. Kain mga palangga. Wings. Yan.
2 hours later.
Pupunta tayo kay mother-in-law mga palangga. Ipapatry namin yung chair na nabili namin. Itong zero gravity chair. Yan. But I'm pretty sure, sabi nga ni Jan, she will struggle using this. But, well, there's no harm in trying. Isn't it, mister?
What's that? What is that?
I said there's no harm in trying.
Trying what?
The chair.
Come on, Scooby.
Ang curious ni Pipa. So, gala-gala lang tayo. Hindi naman talaga gagala. Lalabas lang talaga. Nandito na tayo mga palangga.
I don't know, I must have gone through some dirty puddle.
Hmm?
I must have gone through some dirty puddle.
It looks like it because your car is so dirty. Have you explained to her about the
I
chair?
tried to tell her, but she doesn't listen.
Come on, be a good son to your mom.
It would be far easier not bringing things back.
Hmm?
It would have been easier not bringing it back.
Be careful with the box, sweetheart. If she doesn't like it, then we can return it.
Can you?
Well, I think so. We're here. Cheers. Hello. Ang ganda ng feeling mga palangga. Sobrang fresh. We're here.
I'll not burn this after now.
No, don't burn it.
Just saying, I won't burn it.
So, pinaiwan niya yung chair.
I'll put it in that building.
Pero yung box, sabi niya, dalhin niyo sa bahay kasi wala siyang space. So, sabi niya, it will be fine, it will be fine. That's what she said.
The next day.
Is it better cold or hot?
No, about hot, I think. Oh, no, I need to do it.
So, John is having the leftover lechon manok mga palangga. Nilagay niya sa kaniyang sandwich. And ito mga tira-tira, kakainin natin yan. Yan. Sarap, masarap yan. Then, isasawsaw natin sa toyo. And ito na yung kanin ko. Naghihintay na lang ako. Kain! Kain tayo! What? Thank you. Sarap itong mga palangga, mga tira-tira ba?
Oh, it's like coffee.
Hindi ko init yung manok natin. So, malamig yung manok natin. Mainit naman yung rice natin. So, hindi na kailangan. So, as you can see, si Mr. naka-uniform. Naka-uniform talaga. Naka-blue siya, which is indication na diba, come here, honey. They cannot see you.
That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You don't need to see me eating my munchies.
You can only see you a little bit.
I can see enough.
I really like this chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Wow. I always find chicken quite boring. Always up and
No, not in the Philippines.
Mm.
Mostly the native chicken. Mm.
not native chicken.
Native. Yeah.
Me don't like it.
Why?
No,
Huh?
I don't.
Why?
Not enough meat on it. You get a leg and you think, where's all meat at?
It's very skinny.
Mm.
Yeah, but it's pure. That's a pure meat. Your chicken here, you feed a lot. That's why they get fat.
Oh, these chickens are grown purely for this.
Yeah, this is it. Our chicken.
If you had chickens here running around
Mm.
and we did them, they'd taste a lot different.
Yeah.
They'll be just as big as them, but they'll taste different.
Different.
Mm.
That's our native chicken. Tastes like.
Mm.
Tastes so different. There's a lot of meat here, hon, you know, you realize?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have some?
Mm.
Come on.
No, I've eaten your chicken. I've eaten the leg. No, I've eaten the leg. I put that bit in my sandwich and I ate the drumstick.
Mm. Have you tried Mang Inasal chicken in the Philippines?
What?
Mang Inasal? They specialize chicken.
No.
It's not fried like Jollibee or McDonald's or something. It is like this.
Roasted.
Mm. You should try, hon. Very good.
Do they call it lechon chicken?
I don't know, but they have
There's only
variety.
lechon pork.
Huh?
Lechon is pork, purely pork, is it?
Yeah, you can call this a lechon chicken.
What does lechon mean? The way it's cooked?
Yeah, it's roasted. It's
Oh.
good. So they do chicken as well.
Okay.
Mm. You do like rotisserie, is it? Do you call it rotisserie?
Mm.
Mm.
They do.
And that's what they do. It's good. You need to try the Lechon Manok. Manok is chicken. So you need to try that one. When we go to Philippines, we don't know when. What do you miss about Philippines, son?
The hot Sheilas.
No, seriously.
No, just, I like the food. I like the places, the people. You know, just everything about it. Everybody's so nice and friendly.
Mm. I thought you said you missed out mango.
Oh yeah, that's top of this really.
What is your expression when the first time you tasted mango in the Philippines?
Oh, I loved it.
Ooh. Because your mango here is very different. You don't like it?
Well, it's from
It's from whatever.
South Africa or something. I don't know where it comes from.
Naiinis ako kay Mr. Mga Palangga kasi nag-clay pigeon shooting siya. Umalis siya kanina. So ngayon, tinawagan niya ako na nagdala daw siya ng kaibigan. So ako naman na walang bihis at walang kaayos-ayos sa mukha. Nataranta ako. Oh my goodness. At yung bahay, malinis naman yung bahay, pero iba talaga yung nag-i-expect ka ng visitor ba. Pinapalinis mo pa talaga yung bahay, yung extra clean talaga. Hiningal ako eh. Wala pa sila. Yung kaibigan na dadalhin ni Mr. sa bahay, hindi ko pa siya nami-meet. Siya yung palaging kasama ni Mr. pag nagki-clay pigeon shooting sila. Nandito na si Mr. Mga Palangga at yung kaibigan niya. Nandoon lang sila sa workshop. I think pinapakita ni Jan yung kanyang Range Rover na nire-restore. Sus na ko naman. Umalis na yung kaibigan ni Mr. mga palangga. He's actually nice. So, mag-i-spread siya ng slug killer mga palangga para hindi kainin yung strawberry natin.
This is war against slugs. This is war against slugs. It's my slug barrier.
At least, umulan kanina. Hindi na natin kailangan diligan yung ating mga strawberry. Look at his face.
Got a bit of muck on it. I'll have to wash it.
Meron siyang na-pick up na strawberry. Is it a big one?
That one is, yeah. No,
You need to show them. Can you show them, please?
there it is.
No, they cannot see it.
You're not having it, please. Daddy's. My first strawberry of the season.
You're not sharing. Is it sweet?
So sweet.
Tell me anything.
You had one before.
Is it good?
I should have had that with my ice cream.
I'm drooling.
Are you drooling?
Yeah.
More in days now, there's a few ones.
Yeah. Nakita nyo naman mga palangga, may na-pick up si Mr. na strawberry. Our strawberry is getting there. Meron na silang mga hinog, pero hindi pa talaga or hindi pa marami yung hinog. So, pinipick namin sila randomly. So, once na madami na yung hinog, mag-harvest tayo. Char, sobrang excited talaga ako. Hopefully lang yung harvest natin this year, madami compare sa last year. Kasi yung last year talaga, sus nako, boom na boom yung ating harvest. Sobrang daming strawberry. But anyway mga palangga, dito ko na end yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang panonood. Yes, buhaghag yung buhok ko. Alam ko, marami na sa inyong nagko-comment na pagupitan ko daw. Wala pang open dito na hairdresser. Kaya ayun, tiis-tiis muna kayo sa pagmumukha ko. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye mga palangga!